Howdy folks, Charlie here from Christmas on Crestline. Thanks for tuning in, and thanks for tuning in to an unboxing episode. This is the last box of our Hot Ones Home Challenge sauces. I didn't order this, my wife did. I have no idea what's inside. Let's find out. I am very excited for this Hot Ones home challenge that the Patreon supporters are having us do. I'm not sure how I'll do at it. I personally think my wife will rock it. This side of the challenge going in, I think she's going to rock it. The Patreon supporters decided that we're going to do this challenge, so I just started ordering sauces, right? I figured it's probably fair.
You ran out of beers with your pals the other day. Fair.
Oh, don't say to be fair. Hate when people say to be fair. It sounds like to be fair.
To be fair.
Well, to be fair.
To be fair, that I let my wife decide which season we'll do. So she went to Mojada Mobetta website and ordered a season of sauces. I have no idea what she ordered, but I figured let's let her decide what season, because if this does well, we can always do more than one season. Wow, that's pretty heavy. What's inside there? That's a lot of popcorn in there. Put that down. I figured we let her decide what season we'll do. If this video does well, who knows? There's 13 seasons of the talk show. We could always do more. And I'm wearing green today, in case you're wondering, why is Charlie wearing so much green? I've been told I wear too much red and that there's more than one color in the Christmas panel of colors and I should wear more green. I personally don't. This isn't my favorite shirt. I very rarely do I ever wear this, but it's green. So there you go to the one person who said I never wear green. All right, Mojada Mobetta. She's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sauces in here. Okay, let's get the lineup going. So I believe the official, I'm gonna have to double check whatever she ordered against the website to ensure, oh my goodness. Whew, okay, to ensure, I think she has a full season in here. I hope we didn't order redundant stuff. Okay. Mad Dog 357. I've already ordered that. I believe I've already ordered that. But Mad Dog 357, 357,000 Scoville units. Ouch. We'll put that there. This is El Yucateco. I have not ordered this. I actually couldn't find this. Good for her for finding that. El Yucateco. Not certain if it's going to focus in on there. El Yucateco Caribbean hot sauce. Everybody says on the show at least that this is not too bad. The next sauce is Lodi's hot pepper sauce. Is that season 2? What season is that? It's either season 1 or season 2, I'm thinking. I'm fairly certain this is not in season 3. Okay, Lodi's hot pepper sauce. Just a little bit of this, national, international award winning. Doesn't say anything about Scoville units. I'll put something up here about the Scoville units, unless it's on the side, and it is not. So there's that. And I actually don't remember what season that's from. We'll go right to left. Next is Pain, 100%. That is in, I'm only up to season 3 so far. Like I said, there's 13 of them, so I'm not certain which one. If memory serves, this is it 35,000 Scoville? Does it even say on here? This ingredients are habanero, water, salt, tomato paste, pepper flavoring, and spice. Okay. And I forget which one's worse, that or the one with the crying kid on it. Texas Pete, hot sauce. You know what? And I'm not a huge hot sauce guy. I've actually never had any of these. Nothing at all about Scoville's on here. I'm finding that most of these don't. So I'll put that right there. Next is Cholula hot sauce. Yeah, what I said a second ago still holds true. I've never had this either. Said I'm not a huge hot sauce guy. I'm just not. Next is Dave's Insanity Sauce. You see, now I think we're on season 2. I forget, what is it, season 2 or season... When did they change from the Insanity to the Bomb Beyond Insanity? 'Cause I thought that's... I don't think they're in the same season. But Dave's Insanity Hot Sauce Gourmet, the original hottest sauce in the universe. All right, memory serves. You know, I have no idea. I'd just be guessing what this is. I actually don't remember at all what Scoville units that is. Next up is Blair's Original Death Sauce with Chipotle Feel Alive. Blair's Original Death Sauce. See, now I think we might be in season 1. Season 1 I'm excited about because that was the baby one. Season 2 would be okay. Season 3 is one where they go up to, well, they got the 357 in there too, don't they? I'll figure it out here as soon as I'm done filming. So yeah, well, you know, let's look at the bottle. What's the bottle? Oh, that's in there. It's taped in there, isn't it? Luckily I have scissors right here. So anyway, I'm excited. And again, if you've been watching this and you're not watching this series, and I'll put a link up here to the other unboxings. But what we're doing is our Patreon supporters voted on what neat or fun Christmas in July extravaganza food challenge would you like to see us do, and they chose, oh, it's got a skull in there, that's fun. They chose, it's got a skull, it's funny. I don't know why, it's kind of morbid and dangerous, but anyway, they chose the Hot Ones Hot Wing Challenge at home, the home challenge, and it's 10 wings, 10 questions, each wing progressively hotter, and I've asked the Patreon supporters to come up with a list of questions, and I'll ask, and it's going to be me, my wife, 1 or 2 other relatives and or friends. This side of the hot sauce challenge, I think it got shot. Not 100% confident. My wife, I think, is going to knock it out of the park. The other 1 or 2, I think one is right up there. If he Kenny Cash is his name. If Kenny Cash decides to join us, I think he and my wife will knock it out of the park. The other possibility is my brother-in-law, Ryan. I have no idea. That's like me asking you how you think I'll do, which I'm actually curious about. But I have no idea about him. Blair's Original Death Sauce with a skull. I'll have to take a picture of the skull and put it up for you. Anyway. So this sounds like it's going to be a fun time. And the last sauce in here, oh, it's going to be the one with the kid in it. It feels like it's the one with the kid on there, the guy. That's a different label. Louisiana Hot Sauce number 218. Same picture of the kid or guy screaming from the Hot Ones show, but it's different labeling, isn't it? Pain is good. Louisiana Hot Sauce. Surely this has a Scoville. No artificial colors, flavors, preservatives, or syrup. Ingredients: habanero, cayenne, vinegar, garlic, paprika, molasses, and it goes on. At least it's molasses based. That's pretty cool. So what is that? We got 4. Was that 9? There must be a 10th because they have 10 wings, 10 questions. So there must be one that we already have. So there is what my wife ordered. For the Hot Ones Home Challenge. This was the last unboxing. The next time you see a Hot Ones video from me here on Christmas on Crestline, it'll be the real deal. Shout out again, and I'll probably say this on the when we do the wings, at least I hope to remember it, to Off Kilter Homestead. He does, I've talked about him before, he does the, and again, if I haven't done, Haas, if I have not released yet your Patreon shout out, I'm just talking to you normal conversation right now. It's coming if it hasn't been released yet. Probably has. But I asked him for advice, and he says, you know, get your bread and butter. Never even thought about bread and butter. He said stay away from ice, stay away from water. Milkshakes are good. He has a video where he did the 1 chip challenge, and there's ice cream involved, but he says milkshakes instead. Okay. So I don't know quite what style we're going to go with, but we're going to go with something. So the next time you see a Hot Ones episode here, it'll be, I'll tell you exactly what it'll be. It'll be paying 100%. I was looking more forward to the potential of doing the Nathan's hot dog eating challenge, because that's just uncomfortable stomachness. That's not fire breathing pain. But you know it's going to be fun. Nonetheless, right? Nonetheless, it's going to be fun. So I hope you enjoyed the green shirt I got on today, the green outfit. Next time, oh, and the Hot Ones is going to be released on July 4th. I forgot to mention that. That's when we'll release the episode. We film it here in a few weeks, and or in July. I don't even know. Maybe do a live instead. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But that's the date it's going to be released is July 4th. That will be our July 4th episode. So happy 4th of July. If I forget to say it because I'm in so much pain during that episode. But I'm Charlie. We'll see you guys in the next episode.